would you mind sharing us what's dual yellow laser?
Okay, dual yellow laser actually uses two different wavelengths to treat various skin conditions. So this laser actually is more suitable for different skin tone, from fair skin until dark skin tone. It's suitable to use this laser.
What are the skin conditions that can be treated by dual yellow laser?
There are various skin conditions can be treated by dual yellow laser. We follow by pigmentation first, such as melasma, freckles, PIH, which also known as post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, and also acne problems. For vascular lesion like telangiectasia, spider wings, and also rosacea can be treated as well.
Now, the most important question is it painful, doctor?
Okay, for this laser, a lot of patients actually give us feedback that this is the most comfortable laser that I've been through. We just apply a layer of gel, okay, and then we move the probe around the face quickly. Depends on what condition that we're treating, but most of the time it's a very comfortable procedure for them.
Oh my god, this is so cool!
Yeah, it is. If you want to know more about this treatment, can always drop us a message. But I'll advise you to come for a free consultation with the doctor first prior to the procedure.